Jetstream is an intentionally asymmetrical paper airplane designed by Barron that flies quite well despite its asymmetry. It's a really interesting plane, and it's so easy to make that I can teach you how to fold Jetstream in 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper, it can be 8.5 by 11 inches or A4, and we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold your paper in half like this. Open it up and fold triangles to the center like you do with a bunch of paper airplanes. And just do that on both sides. And then fold that whole top section down. Flip it over, and you're folding from where your center crease hits the top edge there to about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from your back corner. And then fold your other side to match your first side. Just like that. And now we've got this corner that we can tuck into that pocket behind it, and this is where it gets asymmetrical. So you just wrap that around like that, and now we fold the plane in half right along the center crease. And now we fold our wings right along that edge. And there you go. You have a finished Jetstream. Let's see this plane in action.